Action cameras have quietly become one of the most reliable tools for capturing life's most exciting moments. Whether you're hiking a mountain, riding a bike through the city, or simply recording family memories, these compact devices can go places a smartphone often can't. They might not be the most glamorous gear in your kit, but their durability, portability, and video quality make them hard to beat. In this video, we'll cover the top 6 action cameras available today, highlight their key features, and point out what to consider before picking one. Product links are listed in the description below. Number 6. Akaso Brave 7 LE. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly action camera that still delivers solid performance, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is a great place to start. It's an ideal choice for beginners, casual users, or even as a backup camera when you don't want to risk something more expensive. Compact and lightweight, it slips easily into a pocket or backpack, making it convenient to carry on hikes, bike rides, or trips to the beach. One of the Brave 7 LE's standout features is its dual-color screens. A rear touchscreen for framing shots and adjusting settings, plus a front-facing screen that makes vlogging and selfies much easier. It's waterproof to 1 meter without a case, which is good for splashes or light rain, and up to 40 meters deep when you use the included waterproof housing. The camera shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second and can capture still images at up to 20 megapixel. For smoother footage, it features 6-axis image stabilization, which does a good job at minimizing minor shakes and vibrations during most activities. Another practical touch is that it comes with two 1350 mAh batteries, so you can keep shooting longer without waiting for a recharge. The box also includes a generous selection of accessories, mounts, and the waterproof case, which adds even more value. Of course, as a budget option, it has its limitations. Low-light performance isn't great, and the stabilization can struggle during very intense motion or bumpy terrain. But for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants a capable, affordable camera without high-end demands, the Akaso Brave 7 LE holds its own. It's a reliable and accessible way to start capturing your adventures. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. If you're looking for a solid mid-tier action camera that balances performance and usability, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is an excellent choice. Designed for enthusiasts and serious hobbyists, it offers premium features without being overly complicated or priced at the very top of the market. It feels durable in hand with a design that's easy to operate even in challenging conditions, making it a dependable companion for all kinds of adventures. At the heart of the Osmo Action 4 is a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, which captures more light than smaller sensors and delivers impressive clarity even in dim environments. It records 4K video up to 120 frames per second and supports 10-bit color and the D-Log-M color profile for more dynamic editable footage. Stabilization is handled by DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady technologies, which keep your video smooth and level even when the camera is moving quickly or rotating. You can take it underwater up to 18 meters deep without any housing, which is a significant improvement over many other cameras. Both the front and rear screens are touch-enabled, making it simple to change settings, frame your shot, or vlog without fumbling through menus. The interface itself is intuitive, with fast, responsive controls that don't get in the way. While it performs exceptionally well, it doesn't shoot at ultra-high resolutions like 8K or even 5.7K, which some competitors offer. It's also slightly bulkier than the smallest cameras in its category, though still easy enough to carry around. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a fantastic option for creators who want premium stabilization, strong low-light performance, and user-friendly features, without stepping into the highest price bracket or the most advanced specs. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. For those who want to push beyond traditional action camera footage and explore more creative, immersive content, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers a unique hybrid approach. This camera combines the ease of a standard action cam with the flexibility of full 360-degree capture, making it a strong choice for users who enjoy experimenting with their shots or creating interactive videos. The Ace Pro 2 features a dual-lens system that captures incredibly detailed 8K 360-degree video. It also produces 72-megapixel still images, which is impressive even compared to higher-end action cameras. The camera is powered by intelligent AI tools which help with reframing and subject tracking during editing, so you can focus on the action while letting the software assist with creating polished results. It's designed to handle outdoor and underwater adventures too, with waterproofing up to 10 meters without any housing and up to 50 meters when paired with its dive case. The foldable touchscreen adds a thoughtful touch, giving you a compact design for portability and a larger viewing surface when needed. Insta360 also has a well-developed ecosystem of mounts, sticks, and accessories that work seamlessly with this camera. That said, the Ace Pro 2 does come with a learning curve, especially if you've never worked with 360 video before. Navigating the editing software and making the most of its features takes some practice. It's also a bit larger than a typical action camera, which can be noticeable if you're trying to travel very light. For users who want the best of both worlds, standard high-quality action shots and immersive, creative 360-degree content, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is a standout option that rewards patience and creativity with exceptional results. Number 3. Insta360 X5. For creators who are serious about immersive video and professional-grade 360 content, the Insta360 X5 stands out as a specialized tool built for that exact purpose. It's designed with 360 video enthusiasts and professionals in mind, offering powerful features in a surprisingly compact package that still fits easily in your bag or even a pocket. The X5 delivers crisp 6K 360-degree video that captures your surroundings in impressive detail, along with 62-megapixel photos for stunning panoramas and stills. Its flow state stabilization and horizon lock keep your footage steady and level even if you're moving quickly or spinning around, which makes it particularly effective for sports, adventures, or immersive VR content. Waterproofing up to 10 meters without a housing ensures you can bring it along for underwater shots, whether you're at the pool, beach, or exploring shallow dives. One of its most appealing tricks is the invisible selfie stick effect. The stick disappears from your footage, creating smooth, floating shots that look like they were filmed with a drone. The editing software provided by Insta360 is also quite user-friendly, with intuitive tools that make reframing and exporting your footage relatively painless even with large 360 files. There are, however, a couple of trade-offs. The X5 is on the expensive side, reflecting its professional capabilities. And while the camera does a lot of the heavy lifting, you'll still need to spend time in post-processing to get the most polished results from its raw footage. Overall, the Insta360 X5 is ideal for creators who are focused on immersive experiences, VR-ready content, or simply want to capture their surroundings in a way that no standard action camera can achieve. It's a powerful creative tool that rewards thoughtful use. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the newest entry in GoPro's iconic line of action cameras, and it continues the tradition of being a rugged, reliable choice for anyone who wants dependable performance in tough conditions. Beloved by athletes, travelers, and creators alike, it's a classic design refined over years of feedback, making it a strong option for those who prefer a traditional, no-fuss action camera. This model delivers sharp, detailed footage with 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second and 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second, giving you flexibility whether you're shooting in ultra-high detail or slow motion. The upgraded GP3 processor enhances HDR performance for more balanced highlights and shadows, even in tricky lighting. GoPro's HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization is among the best available, keeping footage steady and smooth no matter how rough the terrain. The Hero 13 Black is waterproof down to 10 meters without any housing, making it perfect for snorkeling, surfing, or just capturing rainy adventures. The included Enduro battery is designed to last longer than previous models, even in cold weather, which is a welcome improvement for longer shoots. Its compact shape and wide ecosystem of mounts mean you can attach it almost anywhere, on a helmet, bike, chest strap, or even your pet. While it excels at what it does, it still doesn't offer built-in 360-degree capture, which some competitors include, and its premium features do come at a higher price point. For those who want a durable, well-rounded camera that just works, with excellent image quality, smooth stabilization, and proven reliability, the GoPro Hero 13 Black remains a favorite in the world of action cameras. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. At the very top of this list is DJI's flagship action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Designed for professionals and serious hobbyists, it combines premium features, outstanding image quality, and excellent usability into a compact but capable package. If you're looking for the highest quality and maximum control over your footage, this camera delivers in every category. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is built around a large 1-inch sensor, which allows it to capture more light and deliver superb image quality even in challenging low-light conditions. It shoots crisp 4K video at 120 frames per second, giving you buttery smooth slow motion at high resolutions, and the sensor's excellent dynamic range ensures rich detail in both highlights and shadows. For those who want to color grade their footage, the camera supports 10-bit recording in the D-Log and profile, providing more flexibility and depth during post-production. To keep your footage stable, the Action 5 Pro includes both Horizon Steady and Rock Steady 3.0 stabilization systems, which work together to eliminate shakes and keep your horizon level even when the camera rotates fully. It's also ready for underwater adventures right out of the box, with waterproofing up to 18 meters without any extra housing. Both the front and rear screens are touch-enabled, making it simple to adjust settings, frame your shots, and review your footage from any angle. The built-in microphones also capture surprisingly clear and natural audio, reducing the need for external gear in many situations. Of course, all this performance comes at a price. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is one of the most expensive models on the market, and its larger sensor and sturdy construction make it heavier than budget-friendly options. Still, for professionals and serious users who demand the best possible image quality, advanced stabilization, and full creative control, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an unmatched tool that earns its spot at the top of this list. That wraps up our list of the top 6 action cameras. Each one offers something unique, so consider what fits your needs, style, and budget best. Thanks for taking the time to watch or read. We hope this guide helps you choose the right camera for your adventures. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more reviews and updates. See you next time.